I want my children and grandchildren to have a good place to live.
When we're out there burning, it's truly a way to maintain balance.
I want to leave a worthy legacy.
Dans ma propre vision, moi je me dis que c'est quelque chose de possible.
We still have a chance to save it if we act.
Can you turn on the rain?
We're seeing the future of what tropical forests might be like.
Incredible to be here.
First, all you're worried about, can I do it? Am I able to capture this?
Absolutely mind-blowing.
I don't think it's ever been really documented before.
It's about the entire ecosystem. I'm going to do all I can.
With restoration of the land comes restoration of the people.